Okay, so you guys wanted to see some more unique drinkware options,
Mm-hmm.
and we found something really cool on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
It's this video about how to make a cup out of a coconut.
Okay.
I mean, I've got to be honest. When I first saw it, I was like, okay,
Yeah.
this is like a cute little craft project,
Yeah,
like a
yeah.
fun thing to do on a rainy afternoon. But there's
There's
actually,
some more to it.
yeah, there's a lot more to it. It's
Oh,
actually
it's surprisingly sustainable.
super sustainable.
Yeah.
So how does this even work? I mean, the video makes it look so simple.
Well,
You just cut the top off the coconut, scoop out all the meat.
right. So you get rid of all the insides, and then
And then what?
that's when the real craftsmanship comes in.
Okay.
You have to very carefully remove that outer layer,
Oh, fibers.
the fibrous stuff,
Yeah.
and then you polish it
Polish it.
until it's smooth.
They polish the inside, too.
Yeah. So it's totally safe to drink out of. You don't want to be sipping coconut fibers with your
What I do.
margarita.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's quite a process.
And then they added a bamboo handle.
Right.
Such a nice touch.
Well, it's more than just a nice touch. It's like
Oh, it really?
a really smart, sustainable choice.
Oh, tell me more.
Bamboo is such a great renewable resource.
I know it grows so fast.
It grows so fast.
Like a meter a day, I
Or
think, some species.
a meter a day.
Crazy.
Yeah, and it sequesters carbon really effectively.
Right.
So not only is it renewable, but it's actively helping, fight climate change.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and it can be used for so many things.
Right.
So yeah, it really does complement the whole coconut shell thing.
So it's not just like a quirky cup.
Yeah,
It's really like a statement about sustainable living.
absolutely.
When you think about all the disposable cups that we use every day,
Oh my gosh.
and we just throw them away.
It's crazy.
It's kind of sad.
Yeah.
This is really refreshing to see this coconut cup alternative.
Yeah, and those coconut shells, they biodegrade,
That's right.
so they just go back into the earth.
Which is a big deal compared to those plastic cups.
Huge.
They take like hundreds of years to break down.
I know. And plus, coconut cultivation in general, it has a much lower carbon footprint than making plastics.
Wow.
So, yeah, it's a win-win all around.
You know, this whole thing got me thinking about those poolside warnings.
Oh, yeah.
Like, no glass allowed.
Right.
Imagine bringing your coconut cup.
Totally.
You could drop it.
No broken glass.
No worries.
It's perfect.
How are you?
And you could take it to the beach or camping, too.
Oh, for sure.
Anywhere you don't want to worry about breaking a glass.
Yeah.
Or, even just at home.
Yeah, it's a good conversation starter.
It really is.
Okay, I'm going to be that person.
Go ahead.
How durable is a coconut shell, really?
They're surprisingly resilient.
Really?
Yeah, like they can handle regular use.
Mm.
They're not going to crack or break easily.
And how do you clean it?
You just give it a rinse.
Hmm.
And a little scrub, like any other cup.
So are you telling me that I could dish all my regular drinkware?
Well, let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Okay.
There are some things to think about.
Like what?
Like, are coconuts even available where you live?
Yeah, that's true.
And
Yeah.
even though coconut cultivation is generally sustainable,
Right.
you want to make sure you're sourcing your coconuts responsibly.
That's a really good point.
You don't want to contribute to any negative environmental or social impacts.
It's so easy to get caught up in the novelty of something
I know.
and forget about the bigger picture.
Exactly.
It's a good reminder.
Yeah. But, this whole concept brings up an interesting question.
Okay.
Could this be scaled up?
Ooh.
Like, what if we could replace disposable cups at events and festivals?
With coconut cups.
With coconut cups.
I love the idea, but logistically?
Yeah.
How would that even work?
I mean, it would definitely take some creative problem solving,
Right.
sourcing, processing, distribution.
So many things to consider.
Yeah, but imagine the impact.
Oh, yeah.
It could be a huge step towards reducing plastic waste.
Really promoting sustainable practices.
Yeah,
That's the future I could definitely get behind.
me too.
So what do you say?
What?
Should we give this coconut cup DIY a try?
I'm in.
Awesome.
Let's start a coconut cup revolution.
Yes. Let us know if you try it too.
Yeah,
We'd love to hear your thoughts and see your creations.
definitely.
Until next time,
Happy sipping.
happy sipping.
Cheers.
Cheers.